this is how I make a bit of extra money. I buy prints from overseas, buy frames locally in Scotland. I sell them on Facebook Marketplace. No, you won't make £1 million a year like all these Facebook things and bloody YouTube things tell you can, or print in on demand, all that rubbish. This is a real thing. Get two separate things. Now they come. Look at this, all rolled up, cheap as chips. It's actually a nice little picture of a jazz cat. Another one here, it's one of my favourites. I call him Takeshi. He's the hungry cat. He likes eating noodles. I often give the pictures, the cats and the pictures, names. It seems to help us sell them. Also take a video of them as well, just on the wall. Very easy. Then you just put it in a frame. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. Oh, framing up young Takeshi here. Very simple. That goes in there. It fits perfectly. You find sometimes they need to be trimmed down, but in this case it's fine. Sometimes with the bigger frames and the bigger prints, they might rock up a bit, so a little bit of mounting spray would sort that out. But you can see how quick this is. Look, flip it over, and there is Takeshi. And he's ready to go on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll sell him for about 18 quid. Put them together and you'll make a few quid. You know, I maybe make about £100 a month if I put the work in, but it's a little bit extra. If I did it full time, I'd make a bit more, but it's a saturated market because I live in quite a small city. But there's little things that you can do. Do a few things like this, you can get a nice little part-time income. Better than a cleaning job or a bar or washing dishes. There you go.